Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this quick video I will change this button of this Metabo brushless drill. It has quick release check, and this is mostly why I bought it, because I already have this angle check, which is very useful in tight spaces. You can put it like this and it's already an angle drill. It's very useful. I bought it with this. I don't know what happened this, but it is what it is. And all this for the price of €20, which is a bargain. But this button is worn, because when I press it, sometimes it shuts off when it's pressed fully. So I bought this from AliExpress for around €12.50, or I think $13–14. I don't know. Now let's begin disassembly this. You need Torx 20. It's stuck, but that's not a problem. Oh, one bolt. I forgot this. Here you are. What brings you here? It's stuck, but I don't know why. All bolts are down, but why? And here you go. The most hard part in assemble it is this, but I will try to not break it, because it's pain in the ass to assemble it again. It has a spring and it's very annoying. So we go to the button. Here it's simple as that. Here, and here is the and that's it. I think the cable they gave me it's a bit too long, but I think it's gonna be okay. And then what happened here? Here you are. And funny, it's not coming back. Is there a difference? I don't think there is a difference. It seems there. I can use the original cable management, which is gonna be very good. Let's use it. It's short cable. Here's a clip. Here's a clip. Here you go. And this stuck, but that's okay. Here we go, and that's it. We can use it because it's not so much longer. And then clip it back and go here. You need to position this in this and take it back. Why you don't? Here we go. And then we put that back in and it's done. Simple as that. Then you go from here. Yeah, I don't like this. I really don't like this. This is pain in the ass here. You need to position it properly because it's not going in. Yeah, I don't like it. But it is what it is. I will remove all bolts because it's gonna be easier to fix it. Every 5-minute job is going to cost you a long time. And this goes here. What do you want? Yeah, here it is. Now it's in place, I think. Let's try second time, third time, or I don't know. What do you want now? Finally. And now here. Something's not right. Oh, I think we can save it. Let's put 2 screws and test it. And another one. Okay, let's test it. Not okay. Button is not where it should be. Something's wrong. Every 5-minute job. My favorite.